back to Officially Coco. So I'm doing 2 videos. I don't think I want to extend this one. I want to just take my time and to show y'all what I got in this, and then I'm going to do things I bought from Amazon and dealers. Okay, so y'all probably saw this video. Child, I gotta find another dust bag, but this is a Michael Kors bag that I got from TJ Maxx, and I did a video and I was showing y'all about it, that it had a mark on it and I had got a discount on it. So this is the bag. I hope I'm showing y'all enough room because, child, I'm in a tight spot. I like the handles of it. I adjusted to the tightest one because I like how it drops on my against my body. So this is it. So we're gonna get into everything I have in here. So we're not gonna we're gonna exclude my phone because y'all know I have like a chain, so that don't really be in my bag. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. So we're gonna start off with the headphones that I have, and my fan. I always have this in there. This is at 100. I had just charged it, so this works, y'all. And then I have my iPad because I had to charge this too, because I like to charge my thing, so I can already have it in my bag. So this is my iPad. I have those 3 so far in there. Wait, let me fix this. Okay. And then I have my charger, which I like. I just finished charging this, and it's at 100. This is really good, y'all, because you can actually stick it in the wall to charge it. It's good for my iPad and my phone, so I can use either or I can stick my cord in here. Child, is universal. I love it. Let me show y'all the inside because I don't think I show you before I get into it. So this is the inside. So in the back pocket of this, I just put my 2 wallets in it, okay? So that's what I have back here. This is where I keep all my, and it's called My Stuff. And that's just what I got, all my stuff in here, like tea. I'm starting to like tea now, y'all. And I got my charger cords, my lip gloss. I want to put a little bit of that on there. Let me push this down because y'all can't see me. I mean, y'all know I always got to take a pause. I got my sanitizer, the Milk-N-X that's been helping me. In case you do a 2, another 1. I got some more hand sanitizer by Touchland, I think. Yes, I got that from Sephora. And then I got the Kayla Ale Eden Sweet Pea. And then I got my Dance With Me. I got hand sanitizer. I got a whole bunch of stuff in here, y'all. I do not want to pull it out, but just know it's my stuff. And then I have my favorite lotion that I finally got a hold of. I got this at the store at the mall. Wait a minute, y'all, because damn it. I got too much stuff popping up. I hope y'all can see me. But anywho, I have my Chanel lotion. And then I have my Moschino glasses in here. So I have those in here. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to pull everything out, but I love the inside of it, the interior of it. This is a nice bag, y'all. It's magnetic. If you can hear it, it's real soft when it click, but yeah, you probably just heard it click, but it's magnetic. I like it. It's a good bag. For the most part, I mean, I only wore it, what, 1 day? Yeah, yesterday. And for the most part, I like it. I was going to give it away, but I'm kind of happy I decided to keep it. And I know that was real, like a quick breeze, but I got to get ready for the next video because I have a unboxing and unpacking so I can show y'all what I got from Amazon, Dillard's. Yeah, Amazon and Dillard's. I want to thank you once again for watching Officially Coco. If this is your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the notification. That way you know I upload a video. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Live life to the fullest.